Hello kids, today we are going to learn number counting. These are colors and I will teach you 1 to 50 number counting with drawing. Let's learn the color name. These are colors. This is yellow color. Can you imagine what color is this? This is yellow color. Yellow color. This is black color. Black color. This is orange color. This is red color, your favorite color, red color. And last color is green. This is green color. Green color. Let's start the video. Yellow color. One. Black color. Two. Orange color. Three. Red color. Four. Green color. Five. Orange color. Six. Yellow color. Seven. Red color. Eight. Green color. Nine. Black color. 10. Green color. 11. Red color. 12. Orange color. 13. Black color. 14. Yellow color. 15.